Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into GitHub for enabling SSO and security alerts. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the GitHub website by entering www.github.com in the address bar. Locate the sign in button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign in button to access the login screen. Enter your GitHub username or email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, follow the prompts to enter your verification code. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to your GitHub dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on your profile picture or icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to enter your account settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on Security in the left-hand column. Scroll down to the section labeled Security Alerts. Here, you can enable alerts related to security vulnerabilities in your. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure these alerts based on your preferences. Next, if your organization uses Single Sign-On (SSO), look for the Organization tab in the Settings menu. Click on your organization and check if SSO is enabled. If it is not enabled, follow the setup instructions provided by your organization. You may need to authenticate your account to link it with SSO. After enabling SSO, return to the Security section to review and confirm your security alert settings. Make sure to save any changes you made during this process. With these steps completed, your GitHub account is now secured with SSO and security alerts. Always remember to monitor your security settings regularly for any updates or changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.